Introduction to Trello.
Trello is a popular online tool designed for visual task management. It uses simple boards, lists, and cards to help you organize projects, track to-dos, and collaborate with others. Whether you're planning a personal project or managing a team workflow, Trello's intuitive layout lets you see what needs attention at a glance.
Boards, your project's dashboard.
In Trello, a board represents a project or a major workflow. Each board is like a digital bulletin board where all related tasks live together. You can create separate boards for different projects, teams, or personal tasks, making it easy to stay organized and focused on what matters.
Lists, organizing task stages.
Lists are columns on your board that help structure your workflow. Commonly, lists represent stages like to do, in progress, and done. Tasks move through these lists as they advance. You can customize lists to match any process, giving you flexibility for different types of projects.
Cards, tracking individual tasks.
Are the building blocks of Trello boards. Each card represents a specific task, idea, or piece of information. You can add details, checklists, labels, attachments, and due dates to cards. Moving cards between lists keeps everyone updated on the progress of each task.
Collaboration and workflow features.
Trello makes teamwork easy. Assign cards to people, leave comments, and upload files for smooth collaboration. Notification features ensure you never miss updates. You can also integrate other tools and automate repetitive actions, streamlining even the most complex workflows.
Trello, for any workflow.
From personal goals to business projects, Trello adapts to all kinds of needs. Its flexible boards, lists, and cards help visualize tasks and keep track of progress, making it a powerful tool for anyone who wants to stay organized and boost productivity.